Hi, welcome to today's masterclass. And today we're going to be talking about how we can produce a worktop plan that's both dimensioned and shaped to be able to share with our other suppliers, worktop manufacturers perhaps, or even surveyors. So let's go and talk worktop. Here I have a simple little design and I've got a worktop layout actually working with it. And all I need to do now is to go up to the Annotate tab and decide what needs to be actually dimensioned. And into this area here, I want to go and turn on my worktop lengths. And secondly, I want to go back and on this example, I want to choose worktop angles. So there are my angles being displayed. So simple. Let's go and have a look at see what reporting does through print. So if I go to the print area, and here you can see the full floor plan being produced, but just down in this area it says the print type is a standard, and there I can choose to go to a single worktop page. And there you can see it's filtered out all the base units, wall units, tall units, lighting, and all the props that were in the room. And now it's just simply showing the room layout and the lengths of each of the worktops. And I could then produce that to PDF, printing it up, sending it to wherever. Or alternatively, there is a second choice. We could come into this area and say, now I want to produce a page per worktop. So there is page 1, and down on the bottom it tells me here it's page 1 of 3. So I can move this arrow to the right and it will produce me worktop number 2 and worktop number 3. And again, all I need to do is to send it to PDF, print it to perhaps to the printer or to the desktop, and there I can pick it up and attach it to an email or fax or anything else. It's as simple as that. All we've done is to come into the annotational tab, say item settings, and I've turned on the dimension for worktops and angles. And when then I go to the printing area, I decide what is being printed. It's as simple as that. It is print type, and in there I can choose the whole floor plan. There it is. Or I could come into another area and say I want multiple pages or single pages. And there it is, easy as that. Now, of course, what one might have done in here is if I were to go in now and perhaps delete that actual worktop, so I'm selecting the worktop, I'm deleting it from the floor plan, I want to come back in and go up to Insert, Auto Features, and I want to enable plinths and worktop, but not cornice and pelmet. I'm satisfied with them. I want to edit my worktop and I choose OK. Up it pops. It's going to warn me now that there are several things clashing. I can acknowledge that. I'm not concerned at it at this moment in time. I can get hold of this red dot and I can move it up the wall by a set distance. Just up there it's reading 545. If I make that 400 millimeters, press enter on the keyboard, there is my worktop extended, and perhaps now I want to have a radius or a convex corner. I simply click on that corner point and I move my mouse. Again, top of the screen, X and Y. I can come in there and type 150, tab down 150 again, press enter, and I have a nice radiused corner. All I need thereafter is to simply say next and choose my automatic working joint and next and finally finish. Now on this occasion we've got angles turned on, so all I need to do is go to annotate, items and choose to remove angle, but to go back and suggest radii. And there is my radiuses. So last time, print, print, and to print in here, print standard. It's saying what do you want to print, and I can say worktop with single page. There is my radius being nicely displayed. So I hope you've enjoyed that small masterclass in how to export out to another, perhaps a supplier, about your worktops and layers. All they are choosing layers within this area. So do look out for further masterclasses. They are available.